Now we're gonna show you a new feature phone. This is Symphony L25i, the best feature phone in the compact price, and also it has auto call recording feature. So let's unboxing it. Oh, the cover is pretty nice, and there is a plastic cover. After opening it, it's blue, stylish metallic design, and see what's inside the box. There is a charger, a headphone, a battery, and a warranty card, and Symphony features notebook. Okay, let's see what's the battery. In the box, the battery shows is 1730 mAh. Inside the phone, there is a micro USB slot, the SIM chamber, and you will show that that's 1730 ampere battery. Let's insert it. Okay, now we're gonna switch on the phone, see what's its performance. Another thing is the headphone. It's a normal headphone like the other Symphony featured phone models. The headphone is so cheap and not so good, and the charger is a micro USB port, but it hasn't any data cable, so you can't use it as data cable, only it's used for a charger. Now we're gonna switch on the phone. Now the voice of this feature phone is pretty nice, and the camera response time is very good. You will see, and it's also very clear. The response time is fast enough at this budget phone. There is some other features, and the uncommon feature is most of us are finding auto call recording features, and this phone has the features auto call record, and it's also saved in memory card without any notification, so every individual, businessman or professionals can use it for their work. I checked the operating system and it's pretty fast. Not so good, but average it's good. The battery backup is also very good. It's 1730 ampere. That means the phone can still standby mode with 3 to 5 days. The music, the sound quality of this phone is pretty nice. There is another option that you can play FM radio without the headphone. There is not need any headphone for playing radio, and the music is also very good. So in this budget, this is the best phone for you. Thank you guys.